Wisconsin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of New Glarus to near Belleville, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Verona, Oregon, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Dayton, Mount Vernon, and Paoli. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.